Day 4. Joseph trusts God. Key verse. Joseph did what the angel of the Lord had commanded him. Matthew 1 verse 24. Children's lesson. Joseph was a good man who cared about doing what was right. When he learned Mary was going to have a baby, he felt confused. He didn't know what to do. Then an angel came to Joseph in a dream. The angel said, "Do not be afraid. The baby is from God. His name will be Jesus." Joseph woke up and did exactly what God told him to do. Even when things seemed hard or confusing, Joseph chose to trust God. Joseph reminds us that trusting God means obeying Him, even when we don't understand everything yet. Recipe: Christmas Trust Mix Trail Mix. Mix it up and remember how Joseph trusted God's plan. Ingredients: 1 cup pretzels, 1 cup red and green M&Ms, 1 cup dried cranberries, 1 cup mini marshmallows, 1 cup popcorn. Instructions: pour all ingredients into a large bowl. Gently mix with clean hands or a big spoon. Scoop into snack bags or bowls. Enjoy during story time or movie night. Bible thought: Joseph trusted God and God helped him every step of the way. When you feel unsure, remember, you can trust God too. He always knows what's best.